Hello, it's Jeanette J Beauty, and first off, I know that my hair doesn't look so good right now, and it's because I air dried it. I don't have any products in it, and also I have been dealing with so much stress over the past year, and it's really catching up to me. I can really see it in my hair for the past couple of months, how my hair has not been thriving as I really wanted to. My hair has been growing and doing good, but just knowing my hair overall and how it should look, I can definitely tell a difference, and I know that the stress and my hormones definitely from pregnancy has contributed to the health of my hair as it is right now. So with that being said, I already know that I had to cut a lot of my hair off. I am a little bit sad about it, but I value the health of my hair over length anytime. So I'm just going to section my hair into quadrants. As many of you know, I love sectioning my hair. It really gives me a better overview, like a nice blueprint of how I'm going to style my hair. But in this case, I'm going to be trimming my hair so I can stay nice and organized this way. The parts don't have to be super perfect. Just make sure that they are clean. So I'm just going to spray some water, some warm water in my hair just to make the detangling process a lot easier. I'm going to be starting this process in the back of my hair first, so I'm going to part a subsection from the quadrant, and this way I can really see what needs to be cut from my hair. I'm not going to cut it all in one section. I am going to take smaller sections from this subsection to trim my hair. And I'm also going to be detangling my hair just to make it easier for me to trim so I don't have any tangles. You want to make sure that your hair is free of any tangles because this will make the process so much easier. And my hair has gotten a lot longer, and many of you have noticed, so thank you for that. But ultimately, I definitely had to cut the damaged ends off. Stress is something that is just so horrible, and it really has taken a toll on my hair. So there's just so much damage that needs to be cut off. So what I like to do is just feel along the length of my hair, and where it starts to feel jagged and not smooth anymore is where I know to cut. So I cut about maybe 2 inches off. And here's a little illustration that'll further help you understand where you should cut your hair. And the next 2 clips are also where you should trim your hair. So as you see, you have a snipping point, just because if you have those split ends or line of demarcation, it really needs to be chopped off. And I'm continuing the process, so I'm just feeling for any jaggedness, and then I just cut right above where I feel the jaggedness. So as you can see right here, these ends need to go. And once I have finished trimming my hair in the smaller subsections, my hair just looks so much better. It feels so much better as well. So now I'm just going to pull that section down, and then any hair that overlaps, I'm just going to trim that as well. And to seal the moisture in, when I did spray the water, I'm going to be using this Jamaican mango and lime Jamaican black castor oil with coconut, and this is just an excellent sealant to really protect those freshly snipped ends. And then I'm going to twist this section and put it up and out of the way, and then I'm just going to continue until I have finished the rest of this section. And I did cut a good amount of my hair off, but at least I know that my hair is nice and healthy. So like I said, I'm just going to continue the process. I'm going to spray the water so I can easily detangle my hair and also add some moisture in my hair. And then I'm going to take smaller subsections from this section and just trim my hair where need be. And please make sure that you are taking your time when cutting your hair. You don't want to take just huge sections at a time and just cut. You want to thoroughly make sure that you are getting rid of all the damaged ends. So once I finish this section, I'm going to unravel all the twists, and then I'm just going to shape my hair. I like to have a nice curved shape, so you'll see as I do it. And this is all the hair that I have cut from the section. And here's where I'm going to shape my hair. So I'm just going to part my hair and section it off into threes, and I'm just making sure that my hair is pretty nice and even, and also that it has that nice curve, because I don't want my hair to be choppy. And then I'm going to continue the process on this top section here. So I pull my hair nice and taut, and then any of the hairs that just kind of fray out and it's not really nice aligned, I'm just going to trim it, as you can see here.
I wanna rock with you.
And once I'm happy of the shape, I'm just going to twist my hair and continue on the rest of the sections. And looking at this section, there is so much damage, so much hair that needs to be cut, and I'm really happy I'm doing this. I did try to salvage the split ends and the damage that I could, but stress really took a toll on my hair. I mean, over the past year, I've been through so much, and really my hair just took a beating overall. So I'm really glad I'm doing this, but I have learned not to let so many things get the best of me. And here's some more examples on where you should cut your hair. I did notice that the left side of my hair had a lot more damage and broke off a lot more than the right side of my hair. So when I went over just to make sure that the sections were even from the right and the left side, I did notice that I had to cut a lot more hair off on the right side. And here's where I'm going to make sure the left side and right side of my hair are nice and even. So as you can see, it's definitely not. The right side of my hair is a lot longer than the left side of my hair right now. So I'm just making sure that it's nice and even. So I'm going to cut more of the right side of my hair off, as you can see here, just to make sure that it's nice and even with the left side.
I wanna rock with you.
And now that I could tell that these sections are nice and even, and I'm ready to go on to the next section. And once I have completely trimmed all of my hair, this is how much hair that I have cut and how much hair that needed to be gone. And I am so happy I did this. My hair feels so much better. And until next time, I'll see you in the next video. Bye.